Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete likes on Facebook, right? So first of all, you have to just go into your Facebook mobile application, right? We will just open it. And on the top right side corner, you will see this icon, right? Basically, this is menu icon. Just click on the menu icon, but let me like some of the post where I can show you live, right? So I've just liked this post and I will just go and like this post too. And on the top right, I will click on this menu bar and we have to go into this drop down of settings, right? Now we will just click on this settings icon. You can go to the settings from below. Let me show you. Just scroll to the bottom right and you will see this setting and privacy. You can go to the setting option from here too. Just click on the settings now. Right now into the settings tab, just scroll a little bit down and here you will find in your activity center, you have to find your activity and just click on activity log. Once you click on the activity log, here you will find this three option. Now go to activity history. Once you are inside the activity history, you will find that recently I've shown you that I have liked these two posts, right? Let me show you. I will just click and go and I will just unlike this post, right? So this is the only way where you can delete your likes over the other post, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really interesting. Make sure to like this video. See you guys in the next video.